Alright guys, here's a quick unboxing of the new Oris watch, and I got this one. I'm gonna review it, but before that I wanna check it out, hang out with it a little bit, and then I can do a review, not just out of the box review. So this is unboxing. I haven't done unboxings in a while, so pretty excited to show you this. So this is Oris, as you can see, the box, and here we have a beast. We have a star, and the Oris box. It's very cheap, made out of the environment-friendly materials, and they pointed out that everywhere basically it's paper. It's paper box. It's cardboard box, but the watch, what we do really care about, is not. So this is Oris TT, and this is something you can expect to see in the future videos for reviews. So if you have this one, do tell me what you like to see, and I will try to cover it.